What's up, YouTube? Check it out, family. We got a jam-packed day on tomorrow that's coming up, as well as Wednesday. So check it out. We are going to have some very volatile markets, and so that means we're going to get some huge moves to the upside as well as the downside. Okay, so I want to prep you guys in advance. More importantly, I want to hone in on a play that I want you guys to, not only do I want to teach you guys how to fish, but I want you guys to kind of look for these things, and I want you guys to become sniper-like in your approach. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay guys, really quick overview of Nvidia on today. I just want to show you guys something. I want to teach you guys something so that you can begin to slow this game down and pace yourself as well. Okay, Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. It is currently sitting at $230.11 on the day. Okay, now check this out. We're going to go through this together. I just want to quickly call your attention to what this was today. Check this out. Remember my levels way in advance. Okay, I told you this was going to come to 223 as our target number one. Matter of fact, check this out right here. 223.79 it shows here. All right, now check this out lateral to that. All right, these things were talked about, but this is called running a test. Write this word down. Class is in session really quickly. Okay, this is called running a test. So they ran a test to one of the levels that I called out in advance that Nvidia would hit this price. Okay, they ran a test to see were there any buyers there, and guys, it was. Look at what happened once they got to 223, our first target. Okay, boom, this play ran from 223 all the way back up to 232. That's the actual area that I want to get this play at, and this is going to create an opportunity for a rinse and repeat type of opportunity. Okay, this is not even a real play yet. They're just giving us a preview, and you guys need to start seeing the game and the things that they do. Then they kind of show their hand in advance. Okay, so check this out. Okay, right here, just to make it more plain, today's highs was 232.96. Where did I say I want this play at? I want this play between 229 and 235. So I'm trying to teach you guys how to fish. I'm gonna bring out the charts momentarily so that you guys can locate these areas for yourself on the chart though. Okay, look at today's low, 222.97. It went through our 223.50 level. Okay, so target number one was hit, but don't get it twisted. Target number one was hit, and then it bounced right back up. Okay, and this is why I talk to you guys about see profit, take profit. Those of you that's trying to get this play all in one day, this was a quick test as well as a quick example of why we don't do that. I told you this is going to take about 3 weeks to even play out all the way through potentially. Okay, but I want to show you guys in steps why you need to take your time. All right, checking out the lows at 222.97, the highs was 232.96. that's the range right there. Okay, so when you ask about an entry, you need to be looking to get in around 232 or 233. Okay, but with that being said, guys, again, this particular play is going to serve up a major opportunity when it's time. Don't you front run it. Don't you rush the play. You just know the levels that I shared with you guys. And when it's up here, these are the actual zones you want to get it at. But I want to be more surgical than that. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Okay, guys, we got Nvidia pulled up here on a 15-minute chart. Classes in session. I want to point your attention and I want to call your attention to these couple things. Okay, look at right here that it bounced off of support. This was support back then. Okay, this 200 EMA on a 15-minute, it bounced off this level and then boom, went to the upside. Here though, guys, we had a break of that level. Boom, we hit and then we broke through. But watch this. We came and tested this level here. It pushed through, but ultimately now what was once support has turned into resistance. Okay, you need to understand that about the stocks, because this is going to be your ticket to your 100K. All right, So right here, as you can see, this black line will takes you all the way to this price right here, 233. You guys ask about where do you get this play at. I'm teaching you how to fish. I'm not going to be with you when you are in your brokerage account. So you need to be looking for this level as long as it's underneath this 200 EMA. Okay. You need to be looking for this current level that it's at. Hopefully, if you know what you're doing, you really want it to go a little bit higher, 232, 233, and you want to see it do exactly what it did here. Watch this. It bounced off, it came to this level, got rejected, and bounced down. Came back up, came to this level, and then went down. Okay, you want to see that happen. That's the play you want. Okay, but it's going to make a bigger move when it's time. But today they ran a test to kind of show you what's to come. Okay, so you've seen the whole range of 232 on the day down to 222. So it was a $10 range for right now on this 50K play that I'm preparing you for in advance. Okay, but I just wanted to go over this. Support has turned into resistance. Okay, now really quickly, I need to move this out the way so you guys can see what you need to be doing really quickly, because I'm trying to teach you how to fish. Okay, let me make sure I write this down. Teach you to fish. Okay, when you get in here, this is your entry right here. You want your stop loss, that's what the SL stands for. You want it to be right above this entry. So if you are able to get it at 232, you want your stop loss at 233. Okay, just in case the play goes back to the upside. All right, so that you can get in off a bounce and then ride this down, because we now know this level right here was our target of 223.50. Okay, so you know it's going there. Your boy, I often say I don't miss, man. This was another example of telling you guys to a T where this play was going to go. Okay, I just wanted to give that quick illustration in hopes that you guys see, as long as it's below the 200 EMA on the 15-minute time frame, if it approaches that resistance line, that should serve as your potential entry if you see rejection. Okay, and that's how I want you guys to play this and take it down to our levels. Okay, 223.50, 220, 207, 190. Okay, guys, I want you to be surgical with this, but I most importantly want you guys to be patient. This is a play that I told you will take some time to formulate. We got a lot of news coming. We got rate hikes coming. We got CPI coming, PPI coming. They're going to use these catalysts to move the price around. So you want to be standing firm and remaining composed throughout this process. Trust the process and make sure you guys follow the levels that we talked about and called out in advance. Okay, if you can do that, this play will manifest. It will play out. You just want to make sure that you got the right entry, something along the lines around that resistance area. If you can do that, okay, 233 and higher potentially, okay, you will be set in this play when the play begins to go down, because you will be in a position it won't come back to retest that level for quite some time, and then you can just sit pretty and let your levels get hit, and you can choose to take profit or roll it down to the next level that it will hit. Okay, with that being said, guys, hopefully this was helpful. Make sure you apply this. I'm trying to teach you how to fish. I try to hold your hand. I try to show you guys the game in a way nobody in the game does it, especially on this finance space. Okay, if you appreciate that, show your boy some love down in some of the links below. I got the Cash App down there, got PayPal down there. But beyond that, guys, it's not about that. What I want you to do is learn this, because if you master the charts, you can change your life. It's just that simple. Okay, and with that being said, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.